Yet Bhavam Tat Bhavati, says Upanishad. As the feeling, so is the experience. An invocation to the Supreme Power to bless, to drive away all fears and fill our minds with energy was sung by the students of KV Aapuna. Ernakulam region was formed as the 25th region in KVS on 1st April 2012 with 39 schools. As the Deputy Commissioner of the Ernakulam region, Sri Renvi Singh, can reflect with pride on the accomplishment of the region under his guidance. The region topped among the 25 regions of KVS with a percentage of 99.31% in the CBSE All India Senior Secondary Certificate Examination 2013. Ernakulam क्षेत्र के माननीय उपायुक्त श्री रणवीर सिंह से स्वागत भाषण के नम्र निवेदन. May I invite Sri Renvi Singh for the welcome address. Welcome, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Dr. Shashi Tharoor, Minister of State for Human Resources and Development, Revered Shri Avinash Dixit, Commissioner KVS, other dignitaries, invitees, guests, teachers, parents, and my dear students. I am privileged to invite you all to the inauguration of the traveling photo exhibition and the 10-day-long celebration of Golden Jubilee of KVS at Trivandrum. First, let me accord a formal welcome to Dr. Shashi Tharoor, Honorable Minister of State for Human Resources and Development. Please. A colossal figure of international acclaim, Dr. Tharoor was the Under Secretary General in the United Nations from January 2001 to April 2007. A columnist, an orator, a theatre buff, a politician, a writer, all rolled in one. The multifaceted Dr. Tharoor has also supported various educational causes. His contribution and interest as MOS HRD is of great significance to KVS. His presence here today with us is a testimony of his enthusiastic involvement in the management of KVS. It is indeed my proud privilege to welcome you, sir. I also extend a warm welcome to Shri Avinash Dixit, the Commissioner KVS and the flag bearer of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangha. Since joining the camp, he has successfully upheld the mission of the KVS in pursuit of excellence, promoting innovation and experimentation in teaching, learning and holding high the spirit of national integration and Indianness among staff and students. The far-sighted visionary that he is, he has implemented many tried and tested ideas and many more are on the anvil. Your presence us when we are showcasing our achievements. We cordially welcome to this function. I also welcome all the other special invitees, dignitaries, ex-KVS officers, parents, principals, teachers and students. My warm achievements of Ernakulam region. Ernakulam region took its birth in April 2012. I took over as the first Deputy Commissioner of this region, bringing 39 KVs of Kerala, Mahi and Lakshadweep under its banner. It has a staff strength of above 1500 and a student strength of above 50,000. The region has been a winner ever since its inception. The academic achievements include KVS toppers in all the streams last year and this year. The commerce topper is from KVs under Ernakulam region. The class 12 result remained 99.31 pass percentage with PI 71, which is highest in all the 25 regions of India. The region stood first among 25 regions in the year 2012 itself. Perceiving the need for ICT and 21st century skills, e-classrooms are being set up in all the schools and teachers are getting trained in the use of technology-aided learning accessories. And NCC have gone a long way in developing all-round personalities, found out students with a happy blend of regional as well as national identity, which is so unique in our culture. This updating and pursuit of excellence in academics has triggered off a great demand for Kendriya Vidyalayas in the region, and as much as 5 viable proposals for opening new schools have been sent for approval to KVS headquarters. We hope to open at least few more schools in the region with the enthusiastic support of our Honorable Minister. We also hope to scale greater heights in the coming years with the acute intervention of our Minister and the guidance of our Commissioner in all the forward-looking policies and programs for the students placed in our care. I once again extend hearty welcome to each and everyone. Jai Hind.
Jubilee celebration, different competitions were conducted for the students and staff at the regional level. May I request Srimati Jayalakshmi of KV Pangur to take over for the prize distribution.
धन्यवाद रश्मि। आज के इस भव्य समारोह में उपस्थित सभी सज्जनों को प्रणाम। अपनी प्रतिभा को प्रकट करने का, प्रतिभा को परखने का और उस प्रतिभा को प्रोत्साहित करने का केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन उसमें अपनी अलग पहचान रखता है। स्वर्ण जयंती समारोह की श्रृंखला में संगठन द्वारा कई प्रतियोगिताओं का आयोजन किया गया था। उनमें से छात्रों एवं अध्यापकों के लिए आयोजित हिंदी एवं अंग्रेजी निबंध लेखन व चित्रकला के परिणाम घोषित हो चुके हैं। छात्रों के लिए निबंध लेखन 2 स्तरों पर और चित्रकला 3 स्तरों पर आयोजित की गई थी। अब मैं केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन की ओर से आज के हमारे मुख्य अतिथि महोदय डॉक्टर शशि थरूर, आदरणीय मानव संसाधन विकास राज्य मंत्री से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे अपने कर कमलों से इन पुरस्कार विजेताओं को पुरस्कृत करें। सबसे पहले निबंध लेखन अंग्रेजी पहला वर्ग 6वीं से 8वीं तक जोए बर्सन, केवी एरीमला। द्वितीय स्थान सिद्धार्थ सुब्रमण्यम, केवी कंचिको। अंग्रेजी निबंध लेखन करिश्वर टी.सी. निवेदिता, केवी कन्नूर। द्वितीय स्थान सिद्धार्थ सॉय, केवी राबाबोट कोटे। हिंदी निबंध लेखन प्रथम वर्ग विनु सिद्धार्थ, एनएडी आलवा, केवी एनएडी आलवा प्रथम स्थान। निबंध लेखन दूसरा स्थान अश्विना जे, केवी नंबर 2 कैलिकट। हिंदी निबंध लेखन वरिष्ठ वर्ग दिलप्रीत कौर NAD आलवा। द्वितीय स्थान सुरभि मिश्रा KV कलकत्ता। चित्र रत्न प्रतियोगिता पहली से 5वीं कक्षा तक प्रथम स्थान सांद्रा S नंबर 2 कासरगोड, KV नंबर 2 कासरगोड। द्वितीय स्थान अविंदाल SAP तिरुवनंतपुरम। दूसरा वर्ग मेघना P केल्ट्रॉन नगर, KV केल्ट्रॉन नगर। अब वरिष्ठ वर्ग आरती जीवन नंबर 2 नेवल बेस कोचिंग। प्रथम स्थान आरती जीवन। आशिया जोसेफ KV पोर्ट ट्रस्ट। अब अध्यापकों की बारी है। निबंध लेखन प्रतियोगिता अंग्रेजी श्री एंटनी PR KV त्रिशूर। द्वितीय स्थान श्रीमती चांदनी चंद्रशेखर KV एर्नाकुलम। हिंदी निबंध लेखन प्रथम स्थान श्रीमती K सुनीता KV एर्नाकुलम। द्वितीय स्थान श्रीमती शैलजा TH KV केल्ट्रॉन नगर। अध्यापकों की चित्र रचना प्रथम स्थान श्री निशांत सागर KV नंबर 2 कैलिकट। दूसरा स्थान श्री सरफराज अनवर KV नंबर 1 कैलिकट। धन्यवाद महोदय।
Rupees 84,000 was collected by students of KV Pattam towards the Prime Minister's Relief Fund. उपस्थित सभी के लिए संगीतमय स्वागत हेतु केंद्रीय विद्यालय पट्टम प्रथम पारी के छात्रों द्वारा प्रस्तुत है ये स्वागत गीत। से भी वाकिफ करने का भरपूर